Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a playlist on your channel in YouTube app or YouTube a website. So in order to do that, you can open YouTube from your browser or from your app on your Windows. Here I already installed and download. It's very easy to do it. No need to open your browser in order to open this YouTube app. Here you can access your playlist. You can click the playlist, and as you can see, I already have three lists here. In order to delete it, for example, this watch letter list, you cannot simply, or you cannot delete this. And also the liked video, you cannot delete this list, but you can unlike, or you can like untick this watch later per video. But here there is a playlist that you made. You can completely remove it by click on delete option here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.